Okay, so here we are back again. We're working with Pixlr, and we're going to use the clone tool today. And I'm going to let you pick your image. So please pick it from this website. It's called Pix for Learning, and they're free images. And you can pick any image you like. You could do space. I've had people that did very interesting ones with space. I usually do animals, but like I said, you could pick any of them. I would suggest that you pick one that has places that you can actually put the clone. So you want something, so like you couldn't use this cat picture because you couldn't put a cat next to this. So, but maybe the duck, maybe there are pictures of the duck. In fact, I'm going to use a duck picture. Where is it? Oh yeah, it's this one. I think it's this one. So do you see how there's a lot of empty space? And that's why, snow is always good if you can find snow, or camels in the desert. Those are great. Space, like I said, space is good because like if you clone the earth right next to the earth, that's interesting. So, but I'm going to try this duck, and I'm going to download it to my computer. So it's just one duck. Oh, there's another one up there, but I'm going to just clone this one. And now I'm going to go back and open Pixlr. And we're going to work in Pixlr editor, so the one in the center there. And we're going to open an image. And let's get our one duck. And there it is. Now let's go up to layer. And let's duplicate the layer. So in case we make any mistakes, we can actually use the eraser tool. So it's kind of helpful to have two layers, and we're working in the background copy. So now we go get the clone tool. So I'm going to click on the clone tool, and then I'm going to click on a place on the duck. I'm going to start on its head, I think, and then I'm going to click where the object, and then I'm going to click in the open space because that's where I'm going to end up cloning it. So I'm going to click on the ducky. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to click and hold it down. Don't let go. You got to click and hold. And now you're just tracing. But it's really important that you don't let go of it, because if you let go of it, it's just hard to line it back up. So I do not let go because it's just a lot easier, and lots of times people just have to start over if they let go. So there, I've got the outline, and really I'm keeping my eye on the one at the top. I'm keeping mine on the duck to get it, and then I can go back and get any pieces that maybe I didn't get before, but I'm holding down. I'm going to hold down that, I'm going to hold it down, and occasionally I can look over, but if you let it up, it just doesn't seem to work that well. I'm going to do a little bit right there. And you'll notice that now there's like, I'm kind of doing this on purpose. I've got some dark colors around my little duck, and it doesn't make it look as nice as I'd like. So you can come over to the eraser tool, and you can erase parts of it if you really don't like it, and that makes it look a lot better, because that's why you have the two images, because what's happening is that you're actually bringing in the other image. You're erasing this image, and that's why if you use the background copy, then it's a lot nicer. So there we go. You can keep working on it to make it look lovely, but now you have your clone. You're going to come up to File, and if for some reason, well, we'll hit Save. If for some reason you don't get this done and the bell is about to ring, if you save it as a PXZ, that's a project file, and you can work on it again tomorrow. But if you've got it done, go ahead and download it. You can do it, it doesn't have to be a high resolution image. And click Save As, and it's going to save on your computer. And I would change the names that you don't, it doesn't save on top of itself, or you accidentally turn in the wrong one. Hit Save, and then go back to Google Classroom. And when you go to turn in, you're going to go to Add or Create. Go to Add and go down to File, and then get the file from your computer. So there's no need to create a document or anything like that. You're not turning in a link. You're going to turn in a file, and then click Turn In, and turn in again. And if you need help, of course, raise your hand.